Hi everyone. In today's video I will tell you how to remove unwanted objects from videos using CapCut. So let's do it. First, create a new project in the CapCut. Then add your video. This is my video, where I'm going to remove all objects other than this person in the middle. Take a screenshot on your video. Then crop the unnecessary parts of the screenshot. After that, go to the HitPaw.com. Download HitPaw Watermark Remover. Also, the free download link is put on the description. Just download and open it. First, input the screenshot image earlier. Select the brush menu. Then brush over the object you want to remove from the image like this. And tap Preview. Repeat this operation several times, until it is completely erased the unwanted objects. After removing all objects, now click the Export button and save your image. After that, open your CapCut app again. Then add the image that the object removed earlier. Move the clip to the overlay track. Then, extend its duration according to the length of the video. Next, open the mask menu. Then select the suitable option. If you want to remove only one of the objects, then drag this circle towards the object you want to remove, and adjust the size as well. Because I want to remove all objects other than the person in that middle. Then after I select the object in the middle, with a circle mask, I will tap Invert. And yes, all objects other than those in the circle will be removed. And this is the result. The last step, save your video to the gallery. And okay guys, that's how to remove unwanted objects on a video using the CapCut app. Press like if you like and dislike if you don't. That's all from today's video. Thank you for watching.